I don't even see how people live in Canada. Like, that don't even make sense. Anybody living in Canada is not human. Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day or night thus far. It is the 2nd of December, and it's pretty chilly, you guys. I live in South Florida, and it hasn't been this chilly in a long time, and it was, I believe yesterday was 53. It's pretty chilly. It's feeling like, you know, winter down here. And then they say on Saturday and Sunday we're gonna get another cold front. So that's pretty unusual for us. I know for you guys, who, you know, you guys that live up north, you know, and things like that, it's pretty cold up there. Yeah, I can't imagine living up north. I used to live in New York for 5 years with my aunt and my cousin. It was some of the best memories of my life, but it was cold, that's for sure, and I won't live back up there. I don't even see how people live in Canada. Like, that don't even make sense. Anybody living in Canada is not human. No way I would live in Canada. It's too freaking cold. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys are doing well. And the purpose of this video is to give you guys a beauty room update. So if you guys could see in the back, I did add a lamp. I brought those swirly sticks from my living room, and then that new gold piece that you see, that's actually the new divider. I believe you call it a room divider. I got that from Wayfair. Yes. Purchased it from Wayfair. So I wanted to give you guys a little update on the room. Tell me what you guys think. Comment down below, yay or nay. Do you like it? I like it. It's different. I like things that are different. Plus, it depends on my mood too. It depends on how I'm feeling. If I feel, you know, I just buy stuff based on how I feel. If I like it, I'll buy it, and if it fits the mood of my room, I'll keep it. But so far, I like it. It's different. It adds it adds like a what do you call it, like a boudoir, like Moulin Rouge, you know, like in the women's dressing room, you would have the divider and then you would have something thrown on it. It just feels very feminine to me, and I just wanted to get something in my room like that. So tell me what you guys think. And a little decor update. As I said in my previous video, my Christmas to decorate with me is not over yet. I have one more video. I'm going to decorate my foyer and my dining room. It's not going to be much because Christmas decor is expensive and I'm not going to spend that much money. But I do wanted to add some festivity to my space, just to, you know, enjoy the season a little bit more. Even though I usually don't celebrate Christmas. I mean, I don't celebrate Christmas per se. I usually don't decorate. I haven't decorated since I was in middle school. I remember I put up my first tree. I went all out. I sprayed the canned snow on it. Nowadays, that's kind of, you know, outdated. No one sprays snow on their Christmas tree because now you could actually get that on the tree, I think. I don't know. I haven't bought a Christmas tree in a long time. But I remember my first Christmas tree. This is when I was living with my aunt in New York. Wait. Yeah, the first Christmas tree that I decorated was when I lived in New York with my aunt, and we bought this tree and I sprayed the fake snow on it. I put all kind of decor pieces on it, and it was pretty nice. I actually I remember I bought all kind of, you know, those sparkly garlands to wrap around it. I think I had it in like silver and red and gold, and I had ornaments on it. But that Christmas was especially memorable because I remember we bought each other, my aunt, my cousins, and her husband. We all bought each other's gift. But what was so nice about buying each other's gift was just, there was just so much going on that year. I think it was the year 1990. I think it was 99, 2000. Yeah, it was 99, 2000, and we bought each other's gift. The reason why it's so memorable for me is because that year the colored Game Boy came out, and let me tell you, I was so looking forward to that colored Game Boy. But guess what? I got the little pocket one, the little black and white one, and my cousin got the colored one because she's always getting the good stuff, and I'm always getting like the, you know, the half-ish, which, oh, up to this day, I'm still mad. But that Christmas was especially memorable. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna get the colored Game Boy. You know, we weren't telling each other what we was gonna get for Christmas. It was a nice surprise. It's just, I don't know how to describe that Christmas. It was just especially different and memorable because we just, you know, it was just so many great things out. Like, things were changing, especially technology wise, but because to have a colored Game Boy was like game changing. So it was just very, you know, it was just very exciting. There was so many new things. Oh yeah, and I also got a North Face, but no, I didn't get a North Face bubble jacket. I got a Old Navy bubble jacket, which was pretty good. I like my bubble jacket. But I got a lot of gifts that year. But it was just extremely exciting because there were just so many good things out that I wanted. We all wanted. And we all got, except I wanted a colored Game Boy. But I got a black and white one. But that's alright. I don't even know what happened to it. I think I left it up there at my aunt's apartment. I think I left it there. But yeah, that Christmas was really memorable. Let me know what you guys think. What Christmas, tell me, you guys let me know what was your most memorable Christmas, you know. Even though I don't celebrate it, I remember, you know, from when I was younger, I did have one really great Christmas. And I was probably, I think, oh yeah, I forgot to say how old I was. I was probably, I think I was 14. I think I was 13 or 14 during that Christmas. And I also remember that New Year's, it was so cold. It was like -15 that holiday season. Well, I should say it was like -15 on New Year's Eve. It was so cold. I didn't go anywhere. I stayed home. But that Christmas was really nice. I really did enjoy that holiday. But let me know in the comment section down below. Tell me what's your let me know in the comment section below. You guys tell me what was your what was your most memorable Christmas that you ever had, that, you know, that just brought that feeling, that love, the joy, the excitement. Let me know down below. Other than that, yeah, I enjoyed this little chit chat with you guys. You know, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing, and I hope to see you guys on the next one. You know what? We might do another one. I'm gonna come up with another topic and see what you guys think. You know, I might do another topic. Tell me what you guys think, and we'll do it again.